We found some success in wholesaling. As the market kind of deteriorated, I slowed down buying properties and really concentrated on wholesaling. And, that business is still doing really well. And you can find success in flipping still too. It's just you have to be very disciplined on how you run your numbers. People are usually scared right now, so way less investors going for properties, which is really an opportunity. There's less competition. So I'm gearing up to buy, flip still. I'm just going to be buying at huge discounts, and I think those opportunities are going to be out there. So the market does go through things like this. It's really just a big opportunity for people that we're sitting on the sidelines or we're waiting for their opportunity. This is it. And that's the thing, is that most people get scared and never jump on that opportunity. So just like when the market crashed in 2008, in 2010 was the best time to buy a property. Property values in Southern California have doubled or more since then, but people were scared and only the big investors were buying properties. So if you can get out there during this time when the market is kind of shaky, it's the best time to buy a property.